I really love this neck and the finish of the neck, and it's super easy to do. Also, the installing of the tuning machines are pretty easy to do if you just know a few small tricks. And stick around to the end of the video because there's a discount code I want to share with you for buying necks like this and a lot of other guitar building stuff. When you're planning a guitar build, you have to decide if you're going to build a neck or if you're going to buy a more or less finished neck. For this guitar build, I bought an unfinished neck for the great convincing reasons I list in the video right here. I wanted a roasted maple neck with rosewood fingerboard and a paddle headstock so I could shape my own headstock. And I found that on the UK website Guitar Anatomy. And I'm super happy with the neck, although I'm going to tweak the knot slots a little bit so I can get them down to where I like to have them. They recommend using boiled linseed oil for the finish, and that's what I did, so check it out. I had to look around on several websites to find what I was looking for, but the combination of a paddle headstock and then roasted maple wasn't that easy to find. Finally, I found it on guitaranatomy.com. And it really looked good to me. So I bought it, and a week later it arrived. And then I just had to sit down and develop my own headstock shape, and that was really fun. I really enjoyed that. Give the neck some linseed oil. It's boiled linseed oil, and it should dry in 1 day, 2 days maybe. So right now I'm going to apply it with this rag, and hopefully it will work. I'm going to apply it to the fretboard. Turns out you can do that also. Let's go. Linseed oil has dried, boiled linseed oil, and now I'm ready to put in the tuners. With the tuners comes these bushings. They are meant for 8.5mm holes, but I bought these ones. They are meant for 10mm holes because the holes right here in the neck are 10mm. And now for the trick. Put a ruler up against the tuners to hold them in place and keep them straight. Then drill one hole at a time and then put one screw in. When the first one is in, you drill the second one, and so forth. That way you'll be sure that every single tuner is straight before you drill the next hole. And of course, don't drill too deep. That would be very annoying to see the drill bit come out on the other side of the headstock. And that's it. Alright, so that's it. The tuners are installed and it looks amazing, I think. That's the second time for me installing tuners. I think I did a better job than last time. For the camera. So a great result, I think, and it wasn't even that hard to do. The guys at Guitar Anatomy are super great, and they are offering a 10% discount for all of you watching this channel. Just use the discount code LAERSTED10 when you're checking out, and you'll get 10% off anything you buy from their website. And that's also a way you can support this channel if you like this content. And if you want to see the full build of this guitar, check out the playlist right here, and I'll see you in the next video.